Hello, esteemed fellow students, here welcome to my channel again. Today we are taking a look at dangling modifier. When we say dangling modifier, it means a modifier that hangs around loosely without being able to perform its function or achieve its purpose. Dangling modifier. So it has not been able to modify anything in the sentence. And that's the purpose of a modifier, to modify something, to tell us more about a unit of the sentence. To better understand the meaning of a dangling modifier, let us first see how a correctly used modifier operates. Now, going to school today, I met my old friend at his place of work. The expression going to school today is telling us more about I met my old friend at his place of work. And I met my old friend at his place of work is the main clause there. It is now being modified by the first clause. So it is modified with the first clause, which is going to school today, That means it's a modifier. Going to school today is a modifier for the main clause. This means when I was going to school today, I met my old friend. You now notice that we assume that there is a subject in going to school today, and that is I. It is now the same as I in I met my old friend. It is the same thing. Now, see a dangling modifier. Going to school today, Adam was washing clothes outside. Now, if I may ask you, who is going to school today? Or who was going to school today? The answer is I. That is actually the answer, I. And who was washing clothes outside? That is Adam. That means there is already a disparity between the subjects in the first clause and the second clause, whereas the rule is that the subject in the first clause must be the same as the subject in the second. They must be the same. Hence, the modifier going to school today is dangling. It is dangling. It has not been able to modify anything. It has not been able to tell us more about anything in that sentence. To correctly use this kind of sentence, then we can unite the subjects in both clauses by saying, going to school today, I saw Adam wash clothes outside. In that case, there has been unity between the subjects in each of the clauses. It means when I was going to school today, I saw Adam wash clothes outside. We can have these more examples to better understand what is meant by dangling modifier. Playing in the class. Who is playing in the class? I slapped Adam. Who slapped Adam? Who was playing in the class? So that means I was the one. Adam was the one playing in the class. I was the one that slapped him. Then there is disparity. Looking at this, the truth becomes clear. Who is looking at this? And what is the subject in? The truth becomes clear. The truth. Is there no disparity? There is. It is wrong. Falling from the bed, I rescued the boy. Rescued the boy. Who was falling from the bed? Who rescued him? Disparity. See disparities.